Now, what is the viability of a pollen grain? Viability of a pollen grain means a pollen grain is shedded and then distributed, and further it is to reach the stamen, that is the anther, from where it will reach to ovary and will lead to fertilization. Now the time period of the dispersion, of the distribution of the pollen grain and its time taken for the fertilization is known as the viability period of pollen grains. In case of wheat, rice, this is only 30 minutes, and in certain cases the families like Solanaceae, Liliaceae, etc. It is found that the viability of pollen grains is up to months, and even in certain cases it is up to years. That's why you might have heard of semen banks in which male semen, male gametophyte is preserved and further used for artificial insemination in case of human beings or animals. Similarly is the case of pollen banks. These pollens which can be preserved are preserved, and further these can be used whenever required for the artificial insemination of the plant. So this is the structure of pollen grain, how pollen is generated, and in total what is the male reproductive organ or the pre-fertilization stage of male reproductive part of the plant.